Hello students, this is a lecture of science, standard 3rd, chapter 7, and the name of the chapter is Our Universe. So, dear students, what do you mean by the universe? What is universe? Universe क्या है? Universe में क्या क्या होते हैं? So, dear students, the universe means everything that exist. It consists of the whole space in which we live, that is the earth, together with all the planets and stars, or in other words we can say that our universe is a vast open space which includes everything that exists as matter or energy, that is the sun, planets and their moons and stars and some of the components of the universe. These are the components of the universe, or we can say that the universe contains various heavenly bodies like stars, planets and moons. It also consists of dust, gases and pieces of rocks. Now, solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and planets, or in other words we say that the sun and the 8 planets, these 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 planets together form the solar system, and the word solar means the sun. Now, the sun is a star. The sun is our nearest star. It is a huge ball of very hot gases, or it is a huge ball of burning gases that gives us heat and light. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun is the head of the solar system. Sun is the head of the solar system, and solar system consists sun and the planets. It is the star closest to the earth. The earth gets its light and heat from the sun. Without the sun, there would be no life on the earth. Now, next topic is planets. So, dear students, what are planets? Planets are the heavenly bodies which move around the sun. It moves around the sun. Planets are usually round in shape. They do not twinkle like stars and they do not have their own light. They get their heat and light from the star. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In the solar system there are 8 planets. They are these all: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All these 8 planets moves around the sun in the fixed path. They moves around the sun in their fixed path. This movement is called revolution. Now, moon. The moon is the brightest object in the sky at night. It is the brightest object. It travels around the earth like the planets travel around the sun. In the same way, moon travel around the earth. It has no light of its own. It has no light. It reflects the light of the sun. Moon is also called the natural satellite of the earth. Some planets have more than one satellite, but our Earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Now, stars. Dear students, if you look up at night in the sky, what you will observe? You will see thousands of twinkling stars. These twinkling lights are stars. A star is a big ball of burning gases which gives out both heat and light, just like the sun. सन जैसे हीट एंड लाइट देते वैसे ही स्टार्स ऑल्सो गिव्स हीट एंड लाइट. इट मे बी स्मॉल, मीडियम और लार्ज. These stars are very far away from us. That's why they look so small. See stars in groups in the sky. These groups are called galaxies. The group of stars are called galaxy, and a galaxy is a system of stars seen as a bright band in the sky, and the name of our galaxy is Milky Way or Akashganga. We can also say Milky Way or Akashganga. And if you look up at night in the sky, you will see that some groups of stars appear to make pattern in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellation. There are many constellations in the universe. Some of them are Leo, the Great Bear, Orion, and so on. So this was all in this chapter: the solar system, the sun, planets, moon, stars, galaxy and constellation. So let's recall this chapter. Universe. Here, universe. Our universe is a vast open space which includes everything that exists as matter or energy. Now, solar system. Solar system consists of the sun and the planets. The sun is a huge ball of burning gases that gives us heat and light. Both they gives us heat and light. Now planets are the heavenly bodies which move around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Now the moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It moves around the earth. Star. A star is a big ball of burning gases which gives out both heat and light. A galaxy. A galaxy is a system of stars seen as a bright band in the sky. Now, the name of our galaxy is Milky Way or Akashganga. Here, the constellation. Constellation is a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern in the sky. Now, dear student, you listen this lesson, understand this chapter. Now, give me some question that I am asking. First number, who is the head of the solar system? Solar system का head कौन है? Now give me answer. Who is the head of the solar system? The sun. The sun is the head of the solar system. And next one is, what is the name of our galaxy? You have already learned the name of our galaxy in this chapter. Now, the name of our galaxy is Milky Way or Akashganga. But the next question is, name the planet whose only one natural satellite is the moon. कौन सा है? अर्थ हैज़ ओनली वन सैटेलाइट. ओनली अर्थ हैज़ ओनली वन सैटेलाइट, that is the moon. Now we read some hard word of this chapter. universe, universe. twinkling, twinkling. countless, countless. components, components. heavenly, heavenly. bodies, bodies. bounce, bounce. Now read again. Universe, twinkling, countless, components, heavenly, bodies, bounce. movement, movement. revolution, revolution. fixed, natural. natural. satellite, satellite. craters, craters. reflect, reflect. Again, movement, revolution, fixed, natural, satellite, craters, reflect. burning, galaxies, galaxies. milky, milky, way, way, milky way. akash, आकाश. ganga, आकाश गंगा. recognizable, recognizable. pattern, pattern. constellation, constellation. burning, galaxies, milky way, akashganga, recognizable, pattern and constellation. Again read. Universe, twinkling, countless, components, heavenly, bodies, bounce, movement, revolution, fixed, natural, satellite, craters, reflect, burning, galaxies, milky way, akashganga, recognizable, pattern, constellation. Now we do some question. Number 1, the natural satellite of the earth. Name the natural satellite of the earth. That is moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Second number, the name of our galaxy. What is the name of our galaxy? The name of our galaxy is Milky Way. Here Milky Way. Third number, the heavenly bodies which move around the sun is planets. Now 4 number, a system of stars which is seen as a bright band in the sky is a galaxy. Number 5, a group of stars which forms a recognizable pattern in the sky, that is a constellation. Now read, the natural satellite of the earth is the moon. The name of our galaxy is Milky Way. The heavenly bodies which move around the sun is planet. Here are. Now number 4, a system of stars which is seen as a bright band in the sky is a galaxy. Number 5, a group of stars which forms a recognizable pattern in the sky, that is a constellation.